All right, you guys, so today we're talking about prime and composite numbers. Our essential question is, what patterns are there among prime and composite numbers? So before we can get into the definitions of what does it mean to be prime, what does it mean to be composite, we need to recall some information from this week. So over here on the left, we're going to write down factors. What are factors again? We talked about factors earlier this week. Okay, factors are numbers that divide others. Divide others. They have to do with divisibility. If something is a factor of something else, then that number has that divisibility. Okay, numbers that divide products. Okay. All right, so let's start with the definition of what does it mean to be prime. Okay. If a number is prime, then that number only has two factors. And the two factors are itself and the number 1. Okay, a number with only two factors. Let's do an example. Okay, so again, remember I put an EX underneath to do my example. An example of a prime number is the number 19. Okay, and that's because if I think of all the numbers, 19 is not divisible by 2, it's not divisible by 3, or 5, or 10. So then I can go through all the numbers. I can check 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's not divisible by any of those numbers, which means it's only divisible, here are its factors. It's only divisible by the number 1, because 19 divided by 1 is 19, and the number 19, because 19 divided by 19 is 1. Those are the only factors of 19, which makes it a prime number. Okay, let's try another one. How about the number 11? Okay, let's think about factors of 11 again. Factors. 11's not even. It's not divisible by 5 or 10. It's not divisible by 3. So I could think of all those different numbers. Is it divisible by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? It's not. So the only factors are 1, because 11 divided by 1 is 11, and 11, because 11 divided by 11 is 1, which means it only has two factors and it is prime. Okay? If the number can be divided by anything else, then it's not prime. It's what we call composite. So let's do that second definition. Composite. Okay, a composite number is a number with more than two factors. It can have 3 factors, it can have 4 factors, it can have 6, 12, 42, whatever, as long as it has at least more than 2 factors. So let's do an example. We'll start with 9. Okay. All right, so let's list some factors of 9. I know 9 is not an even number, and I know that every number is divisible by 1. But I do know also that 9 is divisible by 3, because if I count by 3 is 3, 6, 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. And then it's also divisible by 9. There's not another factor of 9, but I have 1, 2, 3 factors, which means this is composite. Okay. Let's try another one. How about 24? Okay. 24 has a lot of factors. Let's try this one. 24 is an even number, so I know it's divisible by 2. But as with every other number, it's divisible by 1. It's divisible by 2. Is 24 divisible by 3? Let's check. 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 is divisible by 3, which means yes. Is it divisible by 4? Yeah, because 4 times 6 is 24. Is it divisible by 5? It doesn't end in a 5 or a 0, so no. Is it divisible by 6? Yes, because 4 times 6. How about 7? No, I checked it earlier. 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Okay. We've also got 12 and 24. So this is a composite number. Okay.